Welcome aboard Huntley Airlines. I'm your captain.
I'm currently teaching the Project Lead the Way Aerospace Engineering course. That was the course of students that visited the O'Hare hangar earlier this month.
We start out in their ground maintenance facility, so all the vehicles that aren't aircraft, so de-icers, all that sort of stuff, things that load your baggage. It was really cool to be able to walk through there and see everything they do. Not only do they do the maintenance, but they have a body shop and a paint shop and all that. They do everything there.
We went over to the newest hangar that they built at O'Hare, and we got to see how big it is compared to their old hangar, and how much work they put into it, which was really cool. And I didn't know how many like safety things they had in there, and that was really cool to learn about too.
This massive hangar where we saw there were two 737 Maxes there, and we got to tour like inside and out of the plane. I remember at some point we had 5 guys sitting in where the landing gear folds up into, so there was all this space in here and you're looking around, all these hydraulic systems, pneumatic systems, electrical systems that are all wired together, and it's crazy seeing that technology go into an airplane, which I thought was really cool.
They showed us the cockpits, allowed us to get into surfaces like under the landing gear, into where all the instrument clusters are, all that. We got to see the engines up close, which was really cool actually, because you could see what we learned about and then seeing the actual application of it.
We can't replicate the real world in our classrooms, so opportunities like we had in American allow us to do that.
So we kind of been learning about airfoils and composite materials before we went on the field trip as well. So when we were on the field trip, it was kind of cool to see each part of like the planes we were like looking at.
It definitely gave me a more broadened outlook on the jobs that are there, because they were going over just how many jobs there are in the industry. In the airline industry, there are so many different jobs you can have that aren't directly aerospace engineering related, but that is a good job to have.
Thinking about going into trades, and I just find it interesting how much there is that goes into an airplane, because it started as just a biplane that kind of was just gliding, and from there to where it is now in such a relatively short amount of time is really impressive to me.
It was really cool to see how many jobs they offer and how you can get your degree in such a short time and kind of start working right away. So it was really cool that I didn't know they offered that many opportunities to get your license in so many months.
Dead set on being pilot, that's what I want to do. But after seeing what the mechanics are able to do, really maybe think about what I want to do after high school.
You get to do you when it comes to building. The way I am is I'm very hands-on, and a lot of the stuff that we've done in this class is hands-on, and you really you have a lot of freedom with that. And if you're interested in Project Lead the Way, I'd say that engineering is definitely the most fun way to go.